What's up, TV Squad members? Today we're going to do a food review in a different position. This is called the Wall of Supreme, but basically this is just a start of mine. I'm going to put like LED lights everywhere or something in the future, but yeah. But today we're going to try a Malaysian whole flakes or Chinese whole flakes. So yeah, these are basically like these tiny, like, not sure how to explain, but yeah, I'm just gonna try it. Okay, so these are what they look like. These like really thin, like they look like a coin. But let's try it. I haven't tried this in literally years, but let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Tastes okay. Tastes like, you know, it tastes like really like sour grape. Or maybe it tastes, I'm not sure how to describe the taste, but it just tastes like kind of like a grapish like taste. It's really nice. Give these about a 3 out of 5. I mean, it's good, but not the best food in the world. So yeah, apologize if this is not the best food review. You can see, like, I know like Food Review UK, which is right up there. I'm gonna, as you can see, he does like much more food review than me, but I'm not going to do food reviews a lot now because I'm just going to do like reaction videos because I don't do that much reaction videos, so I'm just going to do some more reaction videos. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, turn on the notification bells, and comment down below what video should I do next. It's up to my TV Squad members. It's up to you guys to see what video should I do next. Thanks for watching, TV Squads.